Welcome to my YouTube channel. It is the second part of India in the world. We start from physical division. We left from physical division of India. We learned that there are 6 physical division of India. This is Northern Mountains, Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert. The desert is also called Thar Desert. The eastern is Western Coastal Plain, Northern Plain, Southern Plateaus, and the islands. The Northern Mountain in the north means the Northern Mountain are situated in the north and northern eastern part of India and protect us from extreme cold wind that flow from Asia and through Russia. Means Russia's cold wind do not Himalayas do not allow to enter in our country. The southern part of India is a peninsula. What is the meaning of peninsula? A land which is covered by 3 sides of water. India is a long coastline. In India is a boundary of 7516 km, including Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar Island. The coastline also include Andaman, Lakshadweep and islands. The Cape Corman near Kanyakumari is the southernmost point of the India mainland. Cape Corman कन्याकुमारी की एक जगह है जहाँ जो है साउदर्न मोस्ट स्टेट मीन्स इट इज़ द साउदर्न मोस्ट प्लेस ऑफ इंडिया while the Indira Point in Andaman Nicobar Island is the southernmost of Indian Union and Union Territory का जो southernmost point है वो है इंदिरा पॉइंट अंडमान निकोबार आइलैंड में. The largest state of India is our Rajasthan and smallest is Goa. So let us go from think and try. Which neighboring country of India is nearest to Delhi? It is Nepal. Which neighboring country of India is farthest from Chennai? Means Chennai से सबसे दूर कौन सी है? It is Afghanistan. So let us move from summary. India is the 7th largest country in the world in terms of area. India shares its boundary with seven countries: Afghanistan, Pakistan, China, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal and Maldives. India is divided into 28 states and 9 union territory. Remember it. Don't copy from this book. India is divided into 6 major physical division. New words. What is the meaning of peninsula? A land which is covered by 3 sides by water. Island that covered by 4 sides of water. Plateau is the physical division of India. Coastal plains, it is the ऐसे प्लेन जो समुद्र के पास हो. Desert where there no rain and no water. So let us move exercises. First is take the correct answer. India is the dash largest country in the world in term of area. First option is second is 7th, third is 8th. I will tell you the answer is 7th. Lies to the south of India. Sri Lanka is lies to the south of India. India is divided into 29. The third option is correct where there is 7 is written. To move into and write 9 and 9 union territories. Land is surrounded by water on 3 sides is called an peninsula. It is the pure definition of peninsula. The Great Indian Desert is also called the Thar Desert. Write the true false. Afghanistan is state of India. No. Sri Lanka and Maldives are neighboring countries. True. The southern part of India is a peninsula. True. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. True. Dispur is the capital of Assam. True. It is the horse mean it is not from chapter but you tell your answer. Why has India been divided into state and union territories? ये कह रहा है कि इंडिया जो है स्टेट और यूनियन टेरिटरी में बंटा हुआ क्यों है? Because of to run the country smoothly and properly. Okay, subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.